my business and yours too. I just want to speak to some of my small business owners out there tonight about filing their business as an S-Corp. One of the things that you must know is you cannot file a business as an S-Corp. It is not an entity filing status. An S-Corp status is for tax purposes. You file your business or you file your business taxes as an S-Corp tax filing status, and only once the IRS considers you as an S-Corp. The first thing that you should do is file a Form 2553 with the IRS. Normally, businesses that have been in business for at least a year or more consider filing themselves as an S-Corp. And a lot of times these businesses are multi-million-dollar businesses. Number one, because there are extra taxes that have to be paid throughout the year. Some businesses consider paying themselves a salary as an employee. So now you are considered your employee and also your own employer. If you remember being an employee before you became a business owner, there are taxes that are withheld from your paycheck. Those taxes have to be paid into either the federal government, or you also have FUTA taxes, which is paid into the federal unemployment. It's the Federal Unemployment Tax Act, which has to be paid into the state. You also have to file quarterly payroll taxes, which you file that on a Form 941 every quarter. And you, as an employer and employee, will be paying FICA taxes. The FICA taxes are the Social Security and Medicare taxes that are withheld from our paychecks. For those of you who are not familiar with that process, those FICA taxes are paid by the employee and also the employer. Whatever the amount of those FICA taxes are that are withheld from an employee's paycheck, the employer have to also match that amount and pay those taxes into the government every quarter. Now, for those of you who are just starting your business off, I never consider or never try to consult with my clients and tell them to file as an S-Corp in the beginning. Number one, because of the extra taxes that have to be paid. So just logically thinking about that, some of you may not want to file yourselves as an S-Corp because of those extra taxes that have to be paid throughout the year. So I'm not saying do not consider filing yourselves at all as an S-Corp, because once you start making those millions of dollars, absolutely, because you will be taxed on an individual tax basis once that income passes through from your LLC or from your company into your individual tax return at the end of the year when you file yourself as an S-Corp. I hope that kind of clarifies some of the misinformation that's out there, because a lot of people are saying, hey, file your business as an S-Corp, file your business as an S-Corp. But the people who are not on the financial side of that are the people who do not know about filing your taxes. They don't know the other part of the extra taxes that have to be paid throughout the year, or the extra forms that have to be filed at the end of the year. So please do your research. If you are still uncertain about filing as an S-Corp, I'll be more than happy to help you. Visit my website at www.pbs-thesolution.com. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with the boss lady, and we'll go over that S-Corp filing status with you. If you also need help with filing your tax return, visit my website, www.pbs-thesolution.com, and go under tax preparation. Schedule an appointment, and I'll be more than happy to help you. I will also be giving a series of seminars and free webinars in the near future, now that I have my new office space. So I will be able to accommodate you all now with my new seminars and webinars. So please subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, like, leave comments, and also share. I hope this information helps some of you guys. And again, if you still are uncertain, please visit my website, www.pbs-thesolution.com. Thank you all for watching again, and have a good night.